In this video, I'll show you how to create a quick wiggle text effect using only built-in tools in DaVinci Resolve. This works in the free version, so you can follow along right away. Let's get started. On the Edit page, open the Effects library, go to Titles, and drag Text Plus onto your timeline. Select the Text Plus clip, open the inspector, and type in your text. Set your font, size, and alignment first. Next, go back to the Effects library and search for Ripples under Resolve Effects. Drag the Ripples effect onto the Text Plus clip. With the text selected, open the inspector and switch to the Effects tab. Turn off Shine, then enable Animate. Set the amplitude to around 0.2 and the frequency to around 30. These two controls define how strong and how fast the wiggle moves. Adjust them slightly if needed to keep the motion readable. And that's it! You now have a clean wiggle text effect in DaVinci Resolve.